kindly please disseminate it to your other classmates, okay? Okay, mom. Thank you, mom. Bye. Bye.
Yeah.
Rio, don't forget our online class.
Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Distance education? Hey guys, I need your help. Can you give me some advantage about distance education?
Sure. For me, physically, it doesn't require while communicating.
And it also no hassle in time, and you can study at home.
In distance education, you can live anywhere and you can study from anywhere.
And vast resource readily available.
Distance education is gain extra knowledge.
Oh, thanks for your help guys. Now I have an answer for my assignment.
I have the answer for this.
Oh my gosh, Giselle, I'm so sleepy.
Oh, I lost my internet connection.
I hate this situation.
Cannot answer the question of mom.
Me too.
Oh my gosh. It's buffering. Connection lost. Because let us go somewhere. Let's go shopping. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey, Mr. Rivera, why are you not present to our online class last night?
I'm so sorry, ma'am, because something very important.
So, because you're not present, you have to do something. You're going to have a narrative report or reflection paper about the literature that I gave last meeting, okay? I need it before 5 p.m.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Our topic for today is all about plants. Okay, I have a plant. Wow! So beautiful! Can you please take a look? Yes? I said quiet. Sai, stand up. What did you observe?
That plant is all this. Leaves.
Johnson, thank you.
Me too! The plants is... Leaves.
Leaves. Okay, thank you. Luigi.
The plant is pointed.
Pointed. Okay. Mr. at the back. Mr. at the back.
Is it at the back? Yes, at the back. The plant is so healthy, and I think that plant absorbs a lot of nutrients came from the soil.
Last meeting, we discussed about water. So, for today, we will discuss about plants. Who has an idea about plants? Mr. Rio? Idea about plants.
Plants are leaves.
Yes? Mr. Moreno?
Plants give us foods and oxygen.
Okay, thank you. Marian? Plants provide us. Chloe? Mama, you don't have idea. Okay, thank you. Sai?
Plants are
Johnson, please turn up your phone. Okay. Idea about plants. Okay. Mika, please turn up your phone. Idea about plants. I don't know what plant is. Okay. Thank you. Lesson. Mom, according to Google, with the help of the Wi-Fi of our neighbor, plants Oh, are you sure that plants have leaves? Yes. Yes, ma'am. Plants is not leaf. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Okay. So we will have an activity. So this will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. Ma'am. So you will draw the parts of the plant. Then take a look. Okay, by group. Group 1 and you're done. Okay, thank you. Any volunteer from the group? Okay, Miss Mika. From group 2. Okay, thank you.
I want to draw a flower. A red flower.
Okay, class, quietly said. This is our plant. As you can see, this is the pot, this is the flower, the stem, the leaf, and the roots.
Where's the ganja?
Inside the pot. That's all. What's the function of the Okay, thank you. Group 2 and your friends representative.
No, Arthur!
Arthur, go.
Suman.
Okay, good.
This is the part of the plant. First is
Wow!
So good to the children.
Wow. Plants or trees?
and
also plants.
yeah, this is also a plant that is stem.
Wow.
This is a root.
Trunk.
Wrong, sorry. And this is the leaves.
Oh!
Oh, it's like a cloud.
What a beautiful tree!
And this is the fruit. The fruit.
It's tree.
And this is the flower.
Oh, it's enough. Okay, thank you.
Rest in peace, Joe.
Okay, tomorrow we have
Hey guys, listen.
Yes?
Let's answer the word that we will ask today.
Oh, sure.
It's so easy.
Let's go. Oh my god, I don't know.
Oh my.
Oh no! I don't know the sign that I'm going to use.
And so do I.
I can't do this anymore.
Me too.
15.
Oh god.
Yes,
So
so
we're
do
going to do. Okay.
Do you have
In the multiplication of integers, positive times positive is equal to positive. Negative times negative is equal to positive. Positive times negative is equal to negative. Negative times positive is equal to negative. For example, negative 8 times 5 is equal to
Negative 40.
negative 40. Negative 10 times negative 4 is equal to
Positive 40.
positive 40. Positive 6 times negative 6 is equal to
Positive 30. Ay, negative isa. Negative 36.
36. Negative 3 times positive 5 is equal to
Negative 15.
15. Now, can you answer the worksheet that are we going to
Yes, ma'am.
share?
Yes.
Thank you, Chloe. Oh, sure. You're welcome.
I'm here to introduce you to Mr. Akihiro. He's from Japan and he wants to present and to discuss the child abuse in different countries. Mr. Akihiro, you may now own this stage. Good morning.
I am here to present you my advocacy about child abuse. So, please allow me to present the graph every year that child abuse, the number of the child abuse every year. So, in Japan, Philippines, and China. So, in 2016, and 2017. So in Japan, in the year of 2016, we have 475 child abuse. And in the Philippines, we have 896 cases of child abuse. And in China, we have 745. And 2017, we have 384. While in Philippines, we have 955. In China, we have 685. So that's all in every year. So in most cases, the China was every year increase the child abuse problem. In 2 years, in the Philippines, we have 1,850 cases of child abuse. And Japan, we have 859, and China is 1,430 child abuse case. So, we have to protect the rights of our children. So, you know, if you become the parents of your child, parents Hence, we have to communicate always our child to prevent the child abuse case. So, understand? Yes! Okay, thank you.
Kilalanin ang sarili, ipagmalaki talentong natatangi. Huwag mahiya pa, tumayo na, taas noo, ipakita sa kanila. Hayaang kumin ang talentong kayang gawin, lilipat, uunlad sa talinong angkin. Kaya to ng kabataang Pinoy, kaya to dahil may kayang Pinoy. Kaya kong mangarap, to pa rin sa pagsisikap, dahil may kaya ko, kayang-kaya ko, ito. May kaya ko. Kaya kong sumulat, kaya kong gumuhit, kaya kong sumuyaw, kaya kong umawi, kaya kong tumulang parang si Balatas. Sa yandip ikaw handang tumuklas, kaya kong lumangoy, tumakbong kay bilis, gamitin ang lakas sa aking hilig. Panibagong bagay, galing sa aking kamay, kinabukasan ko sa aking kumakaway. Ipagsisigaw